If you are trying to do something for your hooded eyelids, I have a great face yoga technique for you today, specifically for hooded eyelids. So this is something I love face yoga because it really has helped me to do things all natural as I am aging, and I want to share this face yoga technique with you. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to cup my hand. I'm going to work on my left eye, so I'm cupping my left hand. We don't want a flat hand, we want a cupped hand. So my left hand is cupped, and now I'm going to hold my left eyebrow up. Now using my left hand with this face yoga technique on my left eye, I'm doing this. Now I'm going to look down and I'm going to blink 20 times as I'm looking down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And I'm, of course, blinking with both eyes and opening up the eyes. And that really helps to target the musculature around the eyes with this face yoga technique. Of course, you can do it on the other side, cup your other, and there we go. You can continue and blink again on the other side. So usually one side is more hooded in terms of the eyelids as compared to the other. So you're going to target, if you need to even things out with this face yoga technique for your hooded eyelids, more so on one side than the other, whichever side needs it more. You can do more repetitions. You can do this 2 to 3 times in the week. You can do it daily as well, 20 repetitions. So I hope that you love this face yoga technique for hooded eyelids. If you do have questions or comments, I'd love to hear from you. So please drop it in the comment section below. And check out my next video in this series of face yoga and face massage, specifically working on different parts of the face using that face yoga, which I love because it's completely natural. One of my goals is to teach you how to empower yourself over the healing of your own body, mind, and spirit. Be well, everyone.